Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So, what a proper fiasco. I just want to get this level in because that's kind of what we're doing. In actual fact, I'm just going to drop it to the bottom here because that's pretty much what we are. We are sideways at the moment. These two big red bars are a little bit concerning, and put things into context. The beginning of the week, it was coronavirus fears that dropped us. And in the middle of the week, now everything's fine. We've got earnings season. And then last night, Biden comes out with wanting to increase capital gains tax, basically double it. So I'm not sure what the exact rate is, but he wants to increase it to 40%. So what I've read, it's doubling. So I'm assuming your current capital gains tax is around 20%. So there it is. Pay the stimulus checks, get them to invest the money in the stock market, and then take half the profits. I suppose that's one way of getting the stimulus checks back. Anyway, let's get down to some levels. So at the moment, I think this is sit on hands for me. This volatility at the moment is not really conducive, as far as I'm concerned, to opportunities to trade, especially not on the hour. And if you come to the hour, you'll see what I mean. So wait for a pullback. You're waiting for a pullback in this area, and you don't get it. And again, we're above and below the moving averages. This is consolidation at the moment. There's nothing really exciting me for a trade on this at all. So we do have quite a bit of earnings coming out today. I just want to get to the earnings calendar quickly. Just give me a sec. Yesterday's earnings were pretty much on par. Intel posted really good results. AT&T posted some good results. Union Pacific was the only one that was slightly down, but still posting a profit. So anyway, majority of the heavy hitters had some good results. So there's nothing really. I don't think there's anything today. We've got Honeywell and American Express. Those are the two notable ones at the moment. We've got Royal Caribbean as well, which that should be interesting because that's not going to be. Well, they're forecasting a minus $4.61 earnings per share. So that's kind of the end of the week for earnings. And the reality is, next week is pretty much all the tech stocks. So the whole week is going to be a very interesting week. We've got a lot of tech stocks coming through every day of the week next week. So that's going to be Microsoft, Google, Facebook, etc. And it's going to be interesting to see what happens there. So I think just with that in mind, you're probably going to find that investors are going to be digesting this news on the tax for starters. They're going to start doing their calculations. They're going to start looking for other avenues. Where can they put their money? And how can they save themselves from that tax? And while they do that, we're going to just be mucking around and going sideways. If the fear is real and it's not algorithm-driven fear, then you can expect a break here. Now you can expect a break of 33,730 and probably a deeper pullback into another level. But that being said, it could just be a case of back to the top, back to the downside, back to the top, and just extend this consolidation. And the longer the consolidation goes on and we do break the upside, the higher the probability that we're going to go a lot higher. Okay, so that's kind of the structure that's in play at the moment. But for me, Friday, not interested in this. We'll wait for Monday to see what's transpiring. Anyway, that's it for me. Enjoy the weekend, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.